Hi, I'm Juliana, and today I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about learning English. Learning anything new can be uncomfortable. Every day I see English learners stepping outside of their comfort zone in a quest to improve their English. This is what I've learned at succeeding at anything that's scary, uncomfortable, and new. Number 1, take the pressure off. In your English lessons, you can make as many mistakes you need to get it right. Take your time while you search for the right word. Nobody's going to judge you. Practice makes progress. Number 2, embrace failure. Mistakes are little lessons from which you can learn and improve. Explore, practice, learn. Number 3, find a community. A community unlocks our motivation and dedication like nothing else. If you struggle to motivate yourself, let other English learners help you provide the accountability you need to make progress. That's why becoming a member of Intrepid English gives you access to our supportive community of students and teachers. You can find the link and book a lesson below. We'd love to help you achieve your English goals. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in our description below. Let's get started.